Hi everyone, welcome back to NDC's Dictionary of Everyday American English Expressions. I'm teacher Carol from camglish.com. In today's video, we will start our new topic under Unit 11, and that would be medicine. Medicine. It is very important that you know those expressions that is being used, especially when it's about giving or taking medicine. To begin with, let's talk about instructions for taking prescription medication. Instructions for taking prescription medication. It is very important that you know what is written in your prescription so that you can follow it carefully. It is very important that you have to follow what is being written in your prescription to avoid overdose or to avoid some irritation or bad things that might happen to you. Now, let's see what are those kinds of expressions that our doctors normally use. 1 teaspoon daily. 1 teaspoon daily. 1 tablet or teaspoon 3 times daily. 1 tablet or teaspoon 3 times daily. 2 capsules 3 times daily. 2 capsules 3 times daily. Take 3 or 4 times daily. Take 3 or 4 times daily. Take in the morning. Take in the morning. Take before going to bed. Take before going to bed. Take as needed. Take as needed. Take 2 of the pills each morning for 2 weeks. Take 2 of the pills each morning for 2 weeks. Not to be taken more than 4 times within a 24-hour period. Not to be taken more than 4 times within a 24-hour period. Take after or before eating. Take after or before eating. This medication should be taken with meals or food. This medication should be taken with meals or food. Do not eat for half an hour before or after taking this medicine. Do not eat for half an hour before or after taking this medicine. Do not operate heavy machinery while taking this medicine. Do not operate heavy machinery while taking this medication. Do not drink alcohol. Do not drink alcohol. And lastly, do not drive after taking this medication. Do not drive after taking this medication. So again, guys, if you receive some prescription from your doctor about your medication, follow that carefully. And don't try to add or minus some of the things that you have to do. Again, this is for your own safety. Okay? Great. Next thing that you need to know is about medical warnings and advice found on product labels. Medical warnings and advice found on product labels. Aside from your doctor's prescription, it is also good to read those medical warnings and some advices that you can see on the product labels. Why? Because this will also help you to check if this medicine is good for you or not. For example, here are those expressions that you can see. For pregnant women, please consult your physician before use. For pregnant women, please consult your physician before use. This means that if you're pregnant, don't take the medicine first. Ask your physician if this medicine is good for you. Remember, you're not alone. you have your baby inside you, and taking medicine without physician's approval might damage or might give some problem with your baby. Next, attention. Phenylketonuria contains phenylalanine. Attention, phenylketonuria contains phenylalanine. This is a kind of ingredient that is added to your medicine. So you have to make sure if you don't have any allergic reaction or if this kind of ingredients will be good or bad for your health. Next, warning. The U.S. Surgeon General has determined that smoking is hazardous to your health. Warning. The U.S. Surgeon General has determined that smoking is hazardous to your health. These are typical warnings that you can see in your cigarette box or cigarette case. Next, sodium content provided for customers who, on the advice of a physician, are modifying their sodium intake. Sodium content provided for customers who, on the advice of a physician, are modifying their sodium intake. Next, it may cause drowsiness. May cause drowsiness. Contains MSG. Contains MSG. MSG stands for monosodium glutamate. Again, MSG stands for monosodium glutamate. Expires October 15, 2010. Expires October 15, 2010. It is very important that you know when is the expiration of your medicine. Why? Taking or drinking expired medicine may cause or may damage your health. Next, use before October 15, 2010. Use before October 15, 2010. What is the difference between expires and use before? Sometimes, if the medicine will expire on October 15, 2010, for example, some of them still have a couple of days of time that you can still use the medicine. But if you will see that you have to use the medicine before, that means that after October 15, 2010, you're no longer allowed to drink the medicine. Or, just to make sure, you can ask your physician or your doctors about expires and use before. Tell them or ask them what's the difference. Okay? Very good. So again, if you have some concern about your medicine, the best person that you can ask is your physician or your doctor. And be careful in reading the medical warnings and advice that you can see on your product labels. Now, let's move on to our last topic under medicine. Let's talk about health claims found on consumer products. Health claims found on consumer products. If you're health conscious, it is better for you to check the label or things that you can see on your consumer products, especially about the health claims. Like, for example, low fat, fat-free, fat-free, contains no cholesterol, contains no cholesterol, contains low sodium, contains low sodium, or low sodium, low sodium. For those people who are sick or who are not allowed to take some of this, it is very important to check the health claims of your consumer products. So, that will be all for today. Join me in the next video as we talk about our new topic under Unit 11. This has been your teacher Carol, always saying, Have fun. Goodbye for now.